Hi everyone, welcome to part 1 of Figma for developers. The purpose of these videos are to get you peeps, the awesome developers of Ticker Tape, familiar with Figma and some of its features that we think would be of great value to you. We'll cover topics such as navigating Figma, inspecting a Figma file, and few tips and tricks. So let's get started. I have divided these set of videos into 5 parts, and in this part today we will simply look at how Figma is structured and how can you navigate it better. To begin with, let's open up Figma. You can navigate to figma.com on your browser and go into login. So you just need to ensure you log in with your Ticker Tape ID. For demonstration purpose, I'm using one of my personal IDs. Once we are in, just take a look around. Things might be confusing for the first time, but we'll make it easy. So on your left, you see a section called Teams. Under Teams, you would find a personal team created for you by Figma, which is where you can store all your personal files. And below this, you should see Ticker Tape, but chances are that you wouldn't if you are a new developer or if you are new to the team. In this case, what you need to do is go into Slack, go into your respective team's space. So let's say you belong to Android. You type in Android, and on top, I have secretly embedded a link that says join Figma, and you need to use your Ticker Tape ID. So you simply click on that and make sure you select a Ticker Tape ID. Once you're done with it, you would come back to this state. In this case, you would find Ticker Tape within your team section. Click on it, and now you would see a bunch of categories. We have kind of ensured that these categories match with our pod structure. So if you notice, you would see the categories named after a pod. You have your trans track, which is under invest. You have platform, you have social, analyze, learn, and growth. You would find certain other categories like design system, brand redesign, archive, etc., which may not be of a great value to you, but feel free to explore them. Since you are in Ticker Tape team, you would only have view access. But let's say if you want to create files of your own, or if you want to explore Figma, then you can simply go into recent and you can just click on new design file and start designing there. By default, any uncategorized file is stored in drafts. So all your personal files would be in drafts. But if you want to structure it, you can create these files within your personal team also. But Ticker Tape team has only view access and you can't create or move files into Ticker Tape. We now have a decent idea what the left panel does, what you can do over here. Most of you would belong to just one pod. Let's say, for example, you belong to the platform pod. In order to make it more easier to access, you can favorite this. And when you do this, it appears on the left navigation. The next time you come back to Figma, you don't have to navigate to this. You can click it over here. Going a little further, you might be only working on one project at a time. Let's say you're working on homepage version 3.2. So all you have to do is add that to your favorite and it appears on the left under favorite files. So you have homepage v3.2. You don't have to navigate to it manually. Now, if you want to find a particular file, you always have the search functionality on the top that could take you to the file that you're looking for. If let's say you're looking for posts under social, you can search for post and you would find the different versions of post. That is all in this video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.